Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Calendly. Want people to book meetings directly from your Wix site? Calendly makes it easy. And you just have to follow these few simple steps. So let's start right away. The first thing you want to do is create a Calendly account. Now you're gonna go to calendly.com and make sure to log in. You can use your Google account to log in. After that, you're gonna start setting up your account by choosing your informations and your preferences, etc. You can just like this. I'm just starting my account right here, and you can create informations depending on your inclination. And after that, you're gonna copy your booking link. You're gonna choose the events and copy the Calendly link. Once you do that, you're gonna open the Wix editor. You're gonna go to wix.com, and then you're gonna go to the Wix editor. You can search for it in the search bar right here. Like, we're gonna search for editor. Once you find the Wix editor or the websites, as you can see here, you're gonna click on Add Plus and select the end widget, then pass the Calendly link. And after you pass the Calendly link, you're gonna resize it and place it on your page. Now this happens after you set up your website. Once you create your website just like this, you're gonna end the website page or etc. in the website, and then you're gonna resize and replace it on your page. Then you're gonna click on publish once you finish. Once you finish publishing your website, make sure to use the correct event link, and also test on mobile view and avoid pop-up blockers. And that's it. And now visitors can book meetings directly on your Wix site. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.